Sun in Aries, in the ninth house. Have you ever met someone who has an adventurous spirit and isn't afraid to question the world around them? Someone who would rather experience life firsthand than simply read about it? This is one of the themes of Sun in Aries in the ninth house. In this video, we'll explore what happens when the Sun, the planet of identity and purpose, combines with Aries, the sign of courage and initiative, in the ninth house, the area of higher learning, philosophy, travel, and personal growth. Let's break it down. The planet, the Sun. In astrology, the Sun represents your core identity, your vitality, your confidence, and your life purpose. It symbolizes the qualities you're developing throughout your lifetime and the way you naturally express yourself. The Sun answers the question, who am I becoming? The sign, Aries. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac and is ruled by Mars. It represents courage, independence, confidence, leadership, and action. Aries enjoys taking the first step and learning through direct experience. At its highest expression, Aries is bold, pioneering, and inspiring. At its lower expression, Aries can become impatient, impulsive, or overly certain of its own perspective. The house, the ninth house. The ninth house is the house of expansion. It represents higher education, philosophy, spirituality, religion, travel, publishing, teaching, law, different cultures, the search for meaning. This house encourages us to look beyond what we already know and develop a broader understanding of life. It reminds us that learning doesn't stop when school ends. It continues through every experience. Putting it all together, when the Sun is in Aries in the ninth house, your identity is closely connected to exploration and discovery. You often feel most alive when you're learning something new, traveling, challenging old beliefs, or pursuing experiences that expand your understanding of the world. Rather than accepting ideas simply because they've always been taught that way, you're more likely to ask questions and form your own conclusions. You have a pioneering approach to knowledge. Whether you're studying, teaching, writing, or exploring different cultures, you're motivated by the excitement of discovering something meaningful. Many people with this placement are drawn to careers or passions involving education, coaching, publishing, travel, philosophy, or sharing knowledge with others. Your core power, your greatest strength, is your courage to explore. You aren't afraid to step into unfamiliar territory if it means learning something valuable. This placement often brings natural enthusiasm for teaching, inspiring others, or introducing fresh ideas. You may have the ability to motivate people simply by sharing your experiences and encouraging them to think beyond their current limitations. Your optimism and adventurous mindset can open doors that others might never consider. Your core challenge. One lesson for Sun in Aries, in the ninth house, is remembering that learning never truly ends. Because Aries likes quick answers and decisive action, you may sometimes become overly confident in your opinions before considering other perspectives. Another challenge is balancing independence with humility. Having strong beliefs is valuable, but growth also requires remaining open to new information and being willing to change your mind when new understanding emerges. The greatest teachers are often lifelong students. Your evolution. As this placement matures, you realize that wisdom isn't about having all the answers. It's about remaining curious enough to keep asking better questions. The evolved Sun in Aries in the ninth house becomes someone who inspires others to think independently while respecting different perspectives. You learn that your greatest adventure isn't simply traveling the world. It's continually expanding your understanding of yourself and life itself. Reflection. Questions. If you have Sun in Aries in the ninth house, ask yourself, what beliefs truly belong to me, and which ones have I simply inherited? Where is life inviting me to explore beyond my comfort zone? And how can I continue growing while remaining open to new perspectives? Your greatest journey isn't just across the world. It's toward a deeper understanding of yourself and the meaning you choose to create. Remember, no single placement tells your entire story. Your moon, rising sign, planetary aspects, and the rest of your birth chart all add important layers to how this energy is expressed. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn about every planet, every sign, and every house combination, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next astrology lesson. If you have Sun in Aries in the ninth house, I'd love to hear from you. Share your experience in the comments below and let us know how this placement has influenced your beliefs, education, travel, or personal growth. Thanks for watching.